Hello everyone. Today let us see the summary of the lesson Reach for the Top, Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is the youngest woman in the world to scale Mount Everest. She was born to a society which valued its sons more than its daughters. When her mother was carrying her, a holy man blessed her with a son. To his surprise, Santosh's grandmother replied that they did not want a son. The holy man, though astonished, gave his blessing and went his way. Santosh was the only daughter in a family of 5 sons. She was born in Joniawas village in the Rewari district of Haryana. The name Santosh means contentment. Santosh, however, was not content with the traditional way of life. She was determined to lead a different life from the rest of the girls in the district. She did not wear dresses like the other girls and was content with a pair of shorts. She belonged to a wealthy family who could afford to send her to a New Delhi school. However, because of tradition, Santosh was educated in the local village school. When she turned 16, she was under pressure to get married like the other girls in the village. It was at this point that Santosh took a stand. She was determined to get a proper education for herself. She refused to marry unless she received a higher education in her life. Her parents, in turn, refused to pay for her education. Santosh then threatened to work to pay for her school education. Finally, her parents relented and agreed to pay for her education. Santosh, after completing school, decided that she wanted more than just a high school education. So, she applied to the Maharani College in Jaipur. Her hostel faced the Aravalli Hills. From her hostel, she would watch villagers climb the hills and vanish for some time. One day, she decided to climb one of the mountains. At the mountain, she found a few mountaineers and asked if she could join them. To her surprise, they all agreed. This was the beginning of a lifelong love for mountain climbing. Santosh saved money and applied to the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering at Uttarkashi. She did not return home after completing her degree at the Maharani College. She wrote an apology letter to her father for enrolling in Uttarkashi without asking his permission. Thereafter, Santosh went on expeditions every year. She developed an exceptional resistance to cold and altitude. Her iron will, physical endurance, and mental toughness enabled her to prove herself in mountain climbing. She scaled the Mount Everest in the year 1992. She was only 20 years old at that time. It was not only her will and endurance that endeared her to other mountain climbers. It was also her compassion for others that earned her a special place among the climbers. During the Everest mission, she cared for a dying climber. She had also saved the life of another climber named Mohan Singh by sharing her oxygen with him. 12 months after the Everest mission, she joined the Indianapolis Women's Expedition and scaled the Mount Everest once again. She secured a unique place for herself and India in the annals of mountaineering. She was awarded the Padma Shri for her achievements in mountaineering. She remembers the exhilaration of being on the roof of the world, that is Mount Everest. Roof of the world denotes the mountainous regions of Asia. The Himalayas are a part of this region. She remembers the act of planting the Indian flag at the summit of the mountain and the pride she felt during that moment. Santosh is also an environmentalist. During her expeditions, she has gathered and brought down around 500 kilograms of garbage bags from the mountains.